My name is Jeremiah Lee. I'm an instructor at Aviation Institute of Maintenance, Chesapeake, Virginia. Been there for probably about 18 years. Prior to coming to Chesapeake, I was military, did 20 years, retired, and as soon as I got out of the military, that's where I started my teaching and been there ever since. I love it. I love the fact that I get an opportunity to interact with the students. I would say the one that have impacted me the most are the ones that started out struggling, and when they do get it, you see that light comes on and you can see that vision in their eyes, and you know all of a sudden, hey, now I understand it. Once they graduate, they still got to go out and they got to do their oral and practical testing. And once they finish this, you can tell the difference. Once they are awarded that certificate, there's a look in their eyes that's just priceless. Most companies will not hire you without an A&P. They want to make sure that you've got the schooling. They want to make sure that you have the experience and the knowledge to come out and do the job for them, okay? So it is extremely important. What we do is prepare them to get that A&P. I like going to work because I can see a smile on their face. They recognize that I'm there to help them. They recognize I'm there to make them successful. And that's what I love about being an instructor. It is an outstanding job. My name is Jeremiah Lee. I work for Aviation Institute of Maintenance, and we train tomorrow's technicians.